All right, 37 past the hour, happening right now in New York City. Day 2 of Donald Trump's hush money criminal trial is set to begin at any moment, with the jury selection process resuming. As you can see moments ago, Donald Trump came in, and I guess he didn't say anything he hasn't said 1,000 times before, so we haven't heard anything more. It looks the same, too. Joining us live from outside the courthouse in Lower Manhattan, MSNBC host and reporter Yasmin Vasugian. Yasmin, what are we expecting to happen today in terms of the jury selection? I'm thinking of any ways that the defense can prolong the process would be their goal, maybe.
Well, and it seems like the jury selection is going to be taking some time, Mika, just to kind of give you some color as to what's happening inside the courtroom right now. It seems like they're going to get up and going any moment now. Judge Merchan is not taking the bench. However, Donald Trump and his defense team are in the courtroom. He did stop in the hallway to speak for a moment. There's just one part of it that I want to share with you because it sets up what we're going to be hearing today. And it is Donald Trump's defense, right? The question of whether or not he's actually going to testify. He said, "I'm paying a lawyer," and he marked it down as a legal expense. I didn't know. He marked it down and said legal expense. That's exactly what it was. And you get indicted over that. That is what he said in the hallway. So it brings me to my next point, Mika, which is the Sandoval hearing. Before they move on with jury selection, they're going to get into the Sandoval hearing. And essentially what that means is it allows the defense and it allows the defendant, Donald Trump, to be informed as to what cross would look like from the people if, in fact, he decides to testify, right? So we're seeing and hearing the defense there from Donald Trump himself in that hallway. I marked it down as illegal. I paid Michael Cohen. He marked it down as a legal expense. My hands are clean, not my fault. After that, we're going to move back to jury selection, right? 9 jurors so far have been questioned. One, in fact, was excused on the question of, do you have a strong opinion about Donald Trump? And that juror said yes and was then subsequently immediately excused. Let me just take you through quickly the process here, Mika, of what it's going to look like today. So after those 9, there are 2 automatic excusals, right? If you have a conflict with the next 6 weeks or so, you will get automatically excused. Can you be fair? If you cannot be fair or impartial, you will also get automatically excused. I want to make sure I'm getting this right, so I'm taking a glance at my notes here. Once they get 18 total in the jury box, that is when both the defendants and the prosecution will subsequently ask their own set of questions to those potential jurors within the parameters, of course. They can't, for instance, say, are you Republican? Are you Democrat? Did you vote for Donald Trump? And so on and so forth. They eventually need to get to those 12 jurors. That is the magic number. However long, though, that takes is really the question, Mika. And we're looking at really a 2-week possible timeline until they can get a full jury pool seated.
Hey, everyone. MSNBC has a new and improved app. You'll get real-time alerts and analysis, live blogs, in-depth essays, video highlights, and the best 2024 election coverage. Download the new MSNBC app. Here's how to do it. You tap on the App Store on your phone. You hit search on the bottom right corner. You type in MSNBC. You click on the MSNBC app. You click on Get or the cloud icon and enjoy it.